this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo, you are now tuned in to the livest show in the world. Yeah, turn up your radio. It's about to go down. Eminem got the hottest show around. So turn it up, pump the speakers loud. Get ready, it's about to go down right now on the new Eminem radio vibe. Turning up the youth, turning up for life on the new Eminem radio vibe. Turning up the youth, turning up for Christ. This is Eminem radio, Eminem radio. Turn it up, turn it up. Here we go, here we go. Eminem radio, Eminem radio. Turn it up, turn it up. Here we go, here we go.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Misa.
My name is Mia.
Also known as Eminem, and we're from the #1 teen and young adult radio show in the nation for inspiration. And you already know it's Eminem Live Radio.
And your girls are repping Yes Lord Radio's Hype Channel. And we are coming to you guys from the 46th Annual Dove Awards right here in Nashville, Tennessee.
Let me tell you who we got right here on the red carpet, right beside your girls. William McDowell, what's going on?
How are you?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm really good. I'm really
That's
good.
awesome. Listen, okay, off camera we talked about all the amazing things you got going on. One thing that stuck out to me was that you're presenting.
I am. We're presenting the final performance of tonight, actually.
So they say the best for last, I guess, man. I know they saved the best for last. Like, did you do any preparation for presenting?
We did a little practice. But we're good.
Okay.
As long as you can read, you're good.
No, one thing is I know you were excited about those Dove Award nominations you got.
Yeah. It's always an honor. It's always an honor. I mean, you don't do it for that reason, and I think that's important. We all do what we do for the heavenly reward, which is to hear well done, good and faithful servant. But it's cool, and I think that we can downplay it sometimes, but it is cool. Yeah.
It's cool to get recognized for all your hard work, all the blood, sweat, and tears that nobody really got a chance to see. But
everyone here does that.
Yeah.
And so that's where it's kind of like, but it's cool though. Yeah.
Definitely. So I got to ask you, what else is going on in William McDowell's agenda? Like, what else can we expect from you?
I'm traveling a lot, but the thing that I'm most excited about is our brand new project coming out called Sounds of Revival. Comes out in January of next year, and we are super excited about it. It's my favorite project. Yes, it's my favorite project. I cannot wait for everyone to hear it. Sounds of Revival in January.
Now, what can everyone expect from this project? Can you tease it a little bit? Give us a little bit of something?
Well, I feature a lot of my team. I also have a great feature with Travis Green, one with Israel Houghton, and so a lot of great collaborations on this. 3,000 people who just completely worshiped with reckless abandon and forgot it was a recording, and you can hear it. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Well, we'll all be definitely on the lookout for it, guys. You're with your girls, Misa and Mia from You Already Know. It's Eminem Live Radio, and we are here at the 46th Annual Dove Awards right here with William McDowell. We'll catch you guys later.